Hey, it's old JBJ. We all locked up in the house.
Hey, what you gonna make?
We're gonna try to make some meatloaf. Gonna try just to throw some meatloaf together. I was in the store, actually getting some food.
Okay, catch that
Came
Rhoda.
across something I'd never seen before. I thought, I might like to make something with that. It's a meatloaf. It's a combination of pork and beef.
Ooh.
Never seen it before.
Oink, oink, oink.
I thought it'd be cool. Let's see what's up.
Well, right here it is. Found this at old Kroger today. Thought it'd be interesting. We'll see how it works. Gonna throw it in that old pan. This is what we're gonna make our meatloaf with. Got a few other ingredients, but we're gonna have some celery. I like it crunchy, and I like it crunchy with some onions. And this is our spice mixture up here. Already made it. We got some salt, smoked salt, some dehydrated garlic. Gonna put some fresh garlic in there too. Got some black pepper and some garlic powder. Got a little onion powder in there too, I think. So we're gonna whip it up together. See what happens. My recipe calls for a pound. We're gonna weigh up a pound real quick. The idea of a meatloaf has always been fond in my heart and in my stomach. The idea of a good meatloaf, hard to get sometimes. I like mine crunchy. I always think it's going to be better than it is, but we'll see what happens this time. Close enough. We got our pound. Now we're going to toss it in a little thing, mix up all the goodies. Got to get an egg and some, breadcrumbs, other things. Well, let's start putting some ingredients in. We're going to do our breadcrumbs. We got to mix this up real good. It's going to get messy. Might as well put some of our seasoning in too while we're at it. We got to get down on it. Hey, see who that is? Make sure it ain't that Rona. You know she ain't welcome around here. A little bit more. It'll get a little better when we put our egg and some milk in there. Recipe calls for half an onion. You can do more or less. Put whatever you want in it. It's one of them things. You know, when you go to cut an onion, if you look at the way it's actually made, God's already made it where you can cut it. It will dice itself, kind of, if you do it the right way. See how nice and diced those are? Hardly any effort at all. Tossing my onion in. Got a few more ingredients. I'm going to mix it all up. We get my celery and my garlic. Hey, when garlic is pressed or smashed, it releases some volatile oils and enzymes that makes the taste and smell of the garlic really strong. So that's why you smash it, press it, make it good. Like I said before, I like them crunchy. A little bit of celery in that meatloaf. Like I said, I've always thought meatloaf could be so much better than it is. That's why I also decided to put a little pepperoni in there. Spice it up a little bit, make it more exciting. You never know what you're going to get, so you might as well try something. Never know until you try. I can't imagine it being bad. Put the rest of the thing. We even got a little bit of crazy pepperoni. I thought that might be good too. Even though we got some pork in there. Have it mix it up. Got a little milk and egg. We put some ketchup in there. Calls for 2 of these. Think it'd be the best way to mix it up. Also a tablespoon of Worcestershire.
Mix it all up. Gotta put our wet stuff in there too. Alright, time to get it wet in there. It's gonna get messy. Alright, dump this in our pan. Pack it down to 350. I think it's 55 minutes. For the topping, take what goes on top of it when you bake it. You got a quarter cup of ketchup, tablespoon of white wine vinegar. It's supposed to be red, but we'll see. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix it up good.
Well, it's looking pretty good. It's ready to go in the oven at 350 until it gets about 160 degrees or more.
Package said make sure it goes like 160. I guess because it's got that pork in it. We easily got 192 easy. Anywhere you poke it, it's plenty good. We're gonna cut this up and taste it, see how it is. Ooh-wee, that looks tasty right there. And that's what the meatloaf looks like in person. Looks like it might be pretty good. Got some of that pepperoni. Got some of that pepperoni on there right there. I actually think I might have done it. I think I might have made the meatloaf I've always wanted. Got a little bit of sauce on top there with that vinegar. It's supposed to be red wine vinegar and brown sugar and ketchup. I got white wine vinegar. It's got that tanginess to it. I said I like it crunchy. Actually, it's pretty soft. It all cooked up pretty good, but you can see the celery right there and a little bit of onion there. But it's that tanginess of that topping with I love the most, man. But then I forgot about the pork. But this is one of the best meatloafs I ever had. That pork, I believe, I forgot about it, mixed with a hamburger. But that topping is tangy. And it is yummy, yummy for my tummy. Hey, it's OJBJ. Hope you like that meatloaf. Check the description for the recipe. Try to get to that stuffed crust pizza soon. I got it in the editing bay. Won't be long. Trying to get it out. Subscribe. Click that like button. Thanks for watching.